Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to change the label colors on Google Calendar web application. So the first thing that you will need to do is to open your internet browser or your browser, and then you will search for Google. And if you're already using Google Chrome, you will find your profile picture here, and then you can go to your Google account, or you can search like here the Google account, and you can search for your apps and you will find the calendar. Otherwise, if you are using other browsers, you can just go for Google and search for Google, either the Gmail or any Google app, and by that you will find here your Google account. After you connect to it, of course, you will need to connect to your Google account so you can access to the Google Calendar. You click on the Google Apps, this icon, and then click on Calendar, and now you have the access of Google Calendar. And now all you remains is to follow these simple steps. So the first step to take is to go to your calendar, or you can just go to your event. So either go to your calendar, and here you will find the label colors, and you can choose from your colors, and as you can see it will change automatically. Or when you are going to create an event, you will find add an event, and here you will find the label colors or the event color. And basically you will need just to click on it and search or choose the color that you want. Otherwise, you can go to more insights and assign a color to your basically to your events as highlighting. So basically you can add new colors. Let's give this one, name it RR. And basically when you are going to create an event, you can give it these things that you have just created. And basically with these methods or tips, you have just changed the color of your calendars successfully. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.